Hi guys, it's your girl Kenyatta from We Gonna Talk About It. Hi my peoples, how you doing? I hope all is well. Let's get into it. We're gonna talk about it. Do you remember when growing up, even when you was a child or to a teenager or to adult, your mama used to tell you, you gotta be careful who food you eat. You can't be eating everybody food. You know that saying? Have you heard that? All right. So today's topic is, do you trust other people's cooking? Do you eat other people's food? You know, you could go to work sometimes, your coworker will bring something that they made and offer it to you. You know, people are sweet like that. Um, like I told you, I work in a cancer facility and my patients are always bringing me stuff. I mean, cookies, baked goods, everything. Sometimes it's from a bakery, sometimes it's from their kitchen. Your girl eats it. I know my mama told me you gotta watch people's cooking, but the thing is this, like, I feel like, why would somebody maliciously do something to the food that they're giving you? You know what I'm saying? Like, it could be two things. Like, my mother always used to be like, oh, you don't know how they cook that food? Them people house probably nasty. What they house got to do with the food? Like, just because they nasty with their house don't mean that they nasty with their food. Now, there is certain foods that I will not eat unless my mama would have cooked them. So I guess I'm not eating them no more because my mama has gone back home. Um, Chitlins. I'm a eater of chitlins. Yes, ma'am. I am. But my mama can't make them. I ain't eating them from somebody else's house because you know chitlins is disgusting. You got to really clean them things. Okay, that's one of the foods I will not eat from somebody else's house. It got to be my mama's. And like I said, chitlins is off the menu for me because my mama is gone. Okay, so I ain't eating them no more. That's one of the foods. There's another food too, and I'm gonna tell you this, and I don't care what nobody say. Potato salad. I ain't eating everybody potato salad. No, ma'am. I eat my potato salad, my father's potato salad, and he is dead and gone too. So guess what? I can't get his potato salad, but guess what? My Aunt Bonnie, she could throw down on some potato salad, so I will eat her potato salad too. Me and my aunt, I will eat her potato salad, but I do not eat that from everybody. You can't. You just can't. Not everybody know how to make potato salad. And like I said, sometimes people don't put the mustard in it neither. And it be white. I don't like white potato salad. I don't want that. My potato salad needs to be yellow. Is your potato salad yellow? Let's talk about it. These things we need to talk about. This is serious too. Let me tell you something, guys. Like, I remember years ago when I was young, and Halloween was good, and like people used to go to people's houses and knock on their door to get trick or treats. I remember this story. It was in New York. There was a lady who gave a trick or treat, some kind of a candy or something, and she put a razor blade in it, and the child almost swallowed it, but it went in his mouth and it bloodied up his mouth. It was in the newspaper. This was years ago. I remember that. You have to be careful with people. I know some people are crazy. Now, why would this person do that? Why would you do that? Like, people are sick. You never know. Like, I don't know if, like, somebody's giving me something they say they made and they're acting like they like me. They've been acting like they like me and say they don't like me, and then they put their hands in their hiney or something and they prepared the food like that. How am I supposed to know? I'm just gonna eat hiney. I mean, I can't say no. Like, I could never say no. Like, for some reason I feel obligated since you said that you made it for me. Now, I will tell you what I do. I'm sorry, people, please don't think this is you. You gonna have to guess, okay, if it's you or not. Sometimes when people give me food, I'll say, oh, thank you so much, I appreciate it, and I'll be like, I'm gonna eat that later. I'm gonna eat that when I get home. And if I don't like the way it looks or smells, or you know where it goes, guys, I don't have to say it. You know where it goes. Do you do that? Do you do that? Because I don't want to hurt nobody's feelings. That's how I am. Like, I'd rather take it and bring it home to not hurt somebody's feelings. But that's me. Are y'all like that? Do y'all take the food and then you know what you do when you get home? You know what you do. Now, are you a person that will eat the food? Sometimes, like, if it's a coworker of mine and they bring something, girl, I eat all my coworkers' food. I told you I'm greedy. And that's only because I trust them. Like, I've been working at my job for 8 years, so I knew these people for a mad long time. I eat safe food. Yeah, I said it. I eat it. But let me tell you something. What I have become immune to. I don't know if you ate this before. Now, you know we all cook different. It's just the truth. We all cook different. I'm all about trying new foods and different things. Guys, I know this is not one for us. I said one for us. You know who I'm talking about. It's not one for us, but I likes it and I eats it. A cucumber sandwich. Yes, I said it. I become immune to the cucumber sandwich. You know why? Because I'm around, Caucasian people. Caucasian people like cucumber sandwiches. They just do. It's not one for us. We love fried chicken. They might not like fried chicken. That's for us, okay? There is stereotypes, but some of them is real, guys, and they for real. This is one of them. They like the cucumber sandwiches. They cut the crust off and they put mayonnaise on it. Well, guess what, honey? I like the cucumber sandwich. Put a little pepper on there, Jimmy. It remind me just as a tomato sandwich. My mother used to give me tomato sandwiches. My sister wouldn't eat it, but I ate everything. I was like that commercial. Mikey will eat it. If you my age, you seen that commercial before. Mikey likes it. Give it to Mikey. Mikey will eat it. I was Mikey. I would eat it. Tomato sandwiches with mayonnaise and pepper. What? You don't have to put no lunch meat on that, Jamie. You don't got no lunch meat. Make that tomato sandwich. I eat it. Okay? Ain't no difference from a tomato sandwich and a cucumber sandwich except for one got cucumber and one got tomato. What's the difference? And my mother didn't cut the crust off. We ate the crust. Because if you might not get another piece of bread. So you better eat that crust. Okay? Eat all of it. Anywho, I like the cucumber sandwich. Okay? Now, guys, question to you about this too. Let's talk about this street food. Like I said, our parents and family members, aunties, uncles are always saying, you gotta be careful who you eat from. People's dirty. They don't keep their house clean. You don't know if she got cats. Maybe the cat hairs in the food. What about street food? How come we don't talk about street food? Do you know those people that are cooking on the street? They have no bathroom. They have no running faucet, and they're touching that food all day. Yes, I know some of them do wear gloves, some do not wear gloves. I am from New York. That is the heart and place of people cooking on the street. You could buy shish kebab on the street, mangoes, hot dogs. Listen, you could buy hamburger and french fries on the street. That's just what we do there. And guess what? I ate it all. I ate it all. I didn't think about the running water and the bathroom and all of that. I don't know what they use for a bathroom. I don't know how they clean the meat. I don't know none of that. All I know, the food be banging. Do the food be banging to you guys? Are you guys eating street food where you live? Don't lie, be honest. Because that is the same aspect to me as when our parents or somebody, in the family says, oh, you got to watch what you eat. You can't be eating everybody's food. Is that not the same? It's street food. You don't know that person either. And what does knowing a person have to do with you eating the food? That's another thing. Like, you see, we programmed that way. I just said, literally, not even 5 minutes ago, I eat my coworkers' food. I trust them. I know them for 8 years. What the heck's that got to do with the way the food is prepared? See, it's a program. We program. That's all. I don't know how they cook the food. They could be nasty. Just because they my coworkers don't mean that they clean. How would I know? It's the same thing for me. Like, if I gave them food, how would they know I'm not nasty? And like, I didn't take that oil and fry that chicken up. I had that oil for like a whole year. How would they know? They wouldn't. You see, there's no difference, guys. If you eating street food and you eating other people's food and you not in their house and watching them cook it, you putting yourself out there for all kind of things. You know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, here, let me tell you. What is that thing? Is it E. coli, I think? That bacterial disease. Yep, you could get that. Diarrhea. Oh, honey, you could get diarrhea, something terrible. I've gotten it, but I don't know if it's because of the way the person made the food. It could just be my intake of an ingredient that they use that just is not right on my stomach. How would I know? But like I said, I'm greedy. So I eat it. I'm greedy. Greedy people, that's what they do. They eat. So I don't know what we're going to do about this. So, guys, drop comments. Let me know, are you eating street food? And what street foods do you eat? And what's the best street food where you from? I've seen people barbecue on the street. Yes, I said it. And what? Don't tell me not to buy no pulled pork from that barbecue man on the corner. He be having on a dirty wifey beater, toes out and nasty, and some slides and some dingy old jean shorts. I don't care. I feel like he needs to look like that because he been over that hot barbecue cooking me up some good barbecue. Yeah, I said it. I'm eating it. I'm eating the barbecue. I don't care what he got on. That does not stop me from eating that man's food. That food be banging. And you know it. Don't let him give me a piece of bread with it. He gave me a piece of bread. I'm his best friend, girl. I said it. I'm his best friend. He gave me a piece of bread. Anyway, are you guys eating the street food? Are you eating from people's house and you don't know how they cooked it? You ain't in front of them. You don't know what they put in there. You eating it because you greedy like me. Okay? Do you eat your co-workers' food? Are you doing that? You don't know how they cook. You don't know how their house is. You don't know how many cats they got. Cat hair be all in it. You don't know. Are you doing it? Listen, this is what I think. You know how they always saying, don't eat pork, don't eat beef, don't eat this. This is no good for you. Something is going to kill us all. If something's going to kill me, I don't mind it being food. I don't want the diabetes to kill me, but I don't mind me dying knowing that my stomach is full. Yes, I said it. I said it. Is a piece of cat hair going to kill me? No. Is it going to kill me if somebody wipe their behind and then they don't wash their hands and they go prepare that food and give it to me? Is that going to kill me? Nope. Sorry, guys. The airplane is going. Is in the air. Sorry. So is that going to kill me? No. These things are not going to kill me. You know, it's just not. There's other things that I need to be worried about that will kill me. That's not it. Not the food being cooked on the street, the man with the dirty hands, the dirty toes, and the slides. That's not going to kill me. There's other things that's going to kill me. It's not going to be that. So, guys, I think we don't need to worry about these things. Just eat the food. I mean, especially if it's somebody, like I said, yes, we program. Somebody that you like, you can eat their food. If I don't like you, I'm not eating your food because I really think that you're doing something malicious to me. I don't know what's in that food. I don't trust it. But if you like me, you're not going to offer me no food anyway. Let's be for real, because you don't like me and I don't like you. So we don't need to worry about these things, guys. People be worrying about the craziest things. My girlfriend told me, she was like, girl, you better stop eating all them people food. Why? That ain't going to kill me. There's people dying with cancer, child. I ain't got to, listen here. Her cancery hands is not going to hurt me from eating her banana nut muffins in the morning with my coffee. I tore it down. Yeah, I said it. She made it with no sugar just for me. I ate it. I had 2 of them and they were delicious. I looked at my fingers after that, did not care. I love her. She loved me. And the muffins went down easy. Stop worrying about little things, guys. If you choose not to and you don't want to eat people's food, don't. But I'm just sick of the stereotypes like, oh, no, don't do this. Don't eat that person's food. You don't know how they keep their house. Their house being dirty ain't got nothing to do with that food that they cooking. Maybe they cleaned the chicken. Maybe they didn't. Maybe they left all that slimy stuff on there. But honey, when I ate the chicken, it was fried and it was good. I put the hot sauce on it. I didn't care nothing about the slime because I didn't see the slime in the beginning. This is the things I think of. This is just how my brain works, guys, okay? Don't come for me. Don't get mad. Now, I'm just saying, I want to know what you think. Are you doing these things? Are you eating other people's food? And are you liking it? Are you feeding people your food and you know it's clean and they're loving it? Did you ever, now, don't fib. Don't fib. I'm saying this because I've done it. Don't fib, guys. You know I don't fib to you. Have you ever made something for somebody and you dropped it on the floor in your house and you put it in that platter to give to them? Don't lie. You know you've done it. I've done it. I've dropped a piece of chicken that I fried up for people and I kiss it and say, oh God, clean this chicken. I put it on the platter. We can't be wasting chicken. We can't be wasting food at all these days. Food is expensive, okay? That chicken ain't got nothing but a little bit of Fendi hairs on it. Yes, Fendi is my cat. Yeah, it could have had a little bit of Fendi hairs on it. Guess what? You pluck that off, it's all good. You can still eat that chicken. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Okay, Fendi's clean. This is what I'm saying. These are little things. I'm not worried if somebody dropped, a piece of something on the floor and then they put it on the plate. I'm going to kiss it to God and it's going to be good. That's not going to kill me. I keep saying these things is not going to kill you. Just do what you need to do and keep it moving. Now, like I said, if you are a picky person and you don't want to do these things, you don't. But I'm just asking because I know these are things I do. I'm asking, do y'all do it? My peoples, I want to know if you do funny things like this. If you eating street food, if you eating people food, I want to know. Why? I want to know because I'm nosy. I want to know if I'm the only one doing it. I want to know. All right? Drop comments. Let me know, are you eating street food? You know, people don't have no bathroom, no soap, no running water. They're not washing their hands in between all the meals that they're cooking. Are you eating that food? And if you are, what is it that you eating and how good is it? Don't it be banging when you buy it off the street? The food be banging to me. Okay? And then are you eating other people's food that you know, that you consider your friends? Are you eating their food because you trust them, because they're your friends, you knew them for a while? Are you doing that? Let me know. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I'm at 126 subscribers. This is wonderful. I'm over 50 something thousand views. This is beautiful. I love you guys so much. I want you to continue watching. Remember, sometime I said we're going to be serious. Sometime I said we're going to be silly. Life is too short to be being one way. I'm not one way. The only way I'm one way is that I love Jesus. I stay in around the way chick. And I love Jesus, and I don't like to lie to you guys. If it's something that I need to lie about, I don't need to discuss it with you. Do you know what I'm saying? That means it's something personal. So I ain't doing that. Nope. No, ma'am. I ain't doing that. But now, am I talking about things that I know we need to talk about? Yes. Do I want to talk about some things that's just silly? Some things that, I think about? Yes, this is one of them. This listen here, I mix it silly with my comments and stuff, but this real talk, okay? Because we all know we eat street food and we eat people's food, and we say that same thing. Oh, I know that person, that they house is clean, I can eat their food. Silly notions. I want to hear if you do that. Guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Kenyatta from We Gonna Talk About It, a simple around the way girl who just loves Jesus and loves to talk her smack. Peace out. It's real on this side.